Oh, hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to do a review of the Vegue portable Bluetooth VS-0866 karaoke machine. Now, I've made a couple of videos before in the past on, what are some of the simplest ways to set up at-home karaoke. Well, this is an even more simple way. This is probably the simplest way I can think of if you don't want to worry about having the right speakers, your analog to digital output converters, having the right cables and sound mixers. If you just want to purchase a solution that is ready to go right away so you can enjoy at-home karaoke or to take this outdoors, this might be the right solution for you. So in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the machine and see how it works. All right, so I'm going to start by getting this box open with my handy knife. So let's open it up right now. All right, just like that. And look at that. So the first thing I notice is instruction manuals right here. Comes with a remote and some wires, so this is perfect. These look like mounts that I'll be able to use to install in the machine and put my microphones on later. This is the power cord over here, and really cool because there are two microphones here. So very nice. And another one. So just take a look here. So I'm going to put this to the side. Now I'm just going to open this up. And this is the actual machine. So I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to take this out and put it on the floor for 1 second. I'll see if there's anything else in the box. So nothing else in the box. Put this to the side. Okay. I'm going to put this up here. All right. And the machine looks like this. So really cool. I'm just going to open it up like that.
It has wheels.
So looks just like that. And I'm going to... It looks like there's even wheels, and there's a little, a little handle, almost like a suitcase. So that's really cool. It's kind of like a very nice portable setup over here. I'm really excited to test out the sound quality and get this all set up. And if you look over here, it looks like, you have all your inputs here, right? So your input settings, you got your mic volume, your power cord. You can even connect your guitar to it, and USB over here as well. So really smooth looking machine so far. And really excited to start testing out the sound quality. And we'll get started with that right away. So something else I love about this unit is how sturdy it is, okay? So it's very nice and tight and very sturdy. And I'm gonna put it on the ground here. And I'm just gonna put it up, and look how easy this is to wheel. It's almost like, I'm going on vacation. I can just, drag my portable karaoke system wherever I want. It's just really awesome aesthetics. I'm gonna put it up, back up over here. Design looks really nice, actually. Like very. This looks like a metal fabricated gate over here, and really excited to test out the sound quality of this bad boy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, I think these rings over here, these are the mounts. So if we put them in over here and just twist it, this is where it basically allows us to hold the microphone. So that's kind of cool. So, we have our two microphones here. You can kind of just put it like that. And, it's kind of cool. You just have your unit already. Let's test out the sound quality and put on the microphone. So I'm going to turn on this unit. I wonder if it's already powered. And yes, I'm right. So it looks like even out of the box, it's already powered. So that's really, really cool. It looks like, you know, there's enough battery for us to test it out without even charging it. So I'm gonna, first off, I believe this used AA batteries. So I'm gonna open this up. Yes, AA batteries. So let me just try to open this and put this in. Does not come included with batteries, so you do need to buy those. All right, and just gonna see. I think I need to turn it on over here. Press the button here.
For 2 seconds.
I'm gonna try to press the button. I think I need to hold it for 2 seconds, and it turns on already. Wow. Hello? Hello? Wow, this thing gets really loud. This is kind of cool. So already I could see the loudness of this speaker. I'm really impressed. The quality is really nice, and the you know, very, very deep bassy sound. Hello? Hello? All right. So I'm just gonna adjust the setting a little bit here. And as you guys can see, a lot of different settings to play around with. Your inputs, this is to turn from line to Bluetooth, which we'll test out in a second. You see your bass, your treble, your TF cards, your USB, aux in, aux out, power on and off. Just really, really clean layout, which I really, really like. So I'm gonna start by setting this up to Bluetooth, and I'm pretty sure it was a very simple process. So I'm just gonna put the mic down. All right, so I'm gonna test the Bluetooth. So I'm gonna switch the input to Bluetooth over here. So you see that nice little sound. And then I'm gonna go to my phone over here. I'm just gonna go to my Bluetooth and see if it finds it. And it finds it right away. So the VS-0866. So I'm just gonna pair it right now. And I'm gonna allow it to happen. And it's connected right there. So very, very nice and simple. So next thing is to test out a song just to see the quality of the streaming and also the quality of the microphone. I really want to test this out with a deep song so we can test out the sound quality. So I'm gonna get Amy to help me test it out. And it looks like over here, there's a nice little slot where, you know, if we do some YouTube streaming, we could basically put our phone just like this. So you can even, like, you know, have your YouTube and, you know, connect it with lyrics, and I'll have Amy test it out shortly. All right, I'm gonna stream a popular Chinese karaoke song to see how it sounds like from the streaming part, and then we're gonna test out the microphone quality. Amy's gonna help me out, so. All right, really nice deep sounds.
是末日来相爱，一分一秒都没到，泪水掉下来，不理会别人是看好或看坏，只要你勇敢跟我来。爱不用刻意安排，凭感觉去亲吻相拥，就会很愉快，享受现在，别一开怀就怕受伤害。许多奇迹我们相信才会存在，死了都要爱，不淋漓尽致不痛快，感情多深只有这样才足够表白，死了都要爱，不哭但微笑不痛快，宇宙毁灭心还在。
Amy, how was the microphone quality? So it's you got some really amazing highs there. So tell me how you feel.
It's really good. It's very natural and it captures your voice really well. And then you can also change up the echo from this switch right here. You can turn it up and down as you please. So I like to have a little bit of echo when I sing because it just sounds more exciting. But overall, it's a very good system. Really like it. Alright, I'm gonna continue singing. 爱不用刻意安排，凭感觉去亲吻相拥，就会很愉快。享受现在，别一开怀就怕受伤害。许多奇迹，我们相信才会存在。死了都要爱，不淋漓尽致不痛快。感情多深，只有这样才足够表白。死了都要爱，不哭但微笑不痛快。宇宙毁灭，心还在。
How does this compare to like an active powered speaker, like from a home studio? Like, what do you think about the difference?
I think the difference is very minimal. I mean, obviously, you cannot compare a portable system with one with a mixer because mixer it is more professional and you can have a lot of switches to mix your sound. But I think a portable system like this is actually a very effective karaoke system. Probably the best I've ever used. So it is actually pretty comparable to a karaoke store when you go to a shop to sing. So this speaker actually plays very loudly too. I mean, the volume was only about 30-40% here, so you can actually turn it up even more if you wanted to. So I think this is a very effective system. And then it has lights, makes it all exciting and everything. Yeah, I really like this system. It's portable. It is very fun to use. Yeah, it's good.
So there you guys have it. Overall, this unit is impressive. For only $200 on Amazon, this unit really delivers. I mean, it's the sound gets so loud, it's so rich, and you know, sometimes I feel this is a much more expensive unit, but for $200 for it to come with everything it does, the two microphones, the portable PA system, I'm pretty impressed, and Amy is pretty impressed as well. It's actually so simple as well. Like, you can buy this unit and you can do your at-home karaoke or outdoor karaoke in a matter of minutes. So this is a buy recommendation from us, and you know, really excited to test out some more of these functions. So I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to purchase this unit on Amazon. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy this video, help the channel out by giving it a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.